Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Right, today we are unboxing a Salamander pump, yeah, from Tech2ology. Inside, Salamander pump, blah blah blah. Right, now before we get into this, just a little thing. Maybe you want to tell me my own business, but see these face masks, they're not meant to wear around your neck. They're meant to cover your mouth and nose, yeah? Okay, that's just a little thing. Be responsible. We don't know what this is. We know it affects everybody. Please. Okay, let's crack on with what we're doing. So, this is our box. Get our knife. Go down there. And we have a camera person to take over for us. You might be better on that side here. Open that. Alright, this is what we have. We have an instruction booklet. So we're going to go through that later. Another little leaflet there. I'm going to go through that later. And inside our box, this is what we have. Alright, so that's packing. We have 2 pipes, hot and cold. They're both the same color. While I'm at it, let me just tell you, these taps here, I'm just going to use the same knife that I have, you see. They go just like that. No, just like that. No, it's not moving. But what it is, if you look inside there, right, there is a valve. It must turn. Hang on. No, it's not turning. Should turn. That's where you lock your water on and off. Okay? So we're going to get a screwdriver later and make sure it does work in case we need to turn the water off or on. Yeah? So that was one of those. 2 of those. Let's put those just there for a minute. Put our knife away. Our mask away. And this is our pump. Down the side you have another 2. 1. And 2. Okay, so we're going to figure out all that in a second. Here we have some washers and some filters. Filters there, washers there. Okay, put those there. Open that up. And this is our pump. Let me just see if there's anything else in the box. Yeah, a couple of blocks, 3, 4, well, 4 rubber blocks. They're not rubber, they're, what do you call that stuff that you put stick to? Foam, yeah, we'll work with foam. Alright, get our box out of the way for a minute. And this is our pump. Alright, let me just show you how this all fits up. These blocks, if I turn the pump over towards you, right upside down completely, they go on 1, 2, 4. Okay, flip this back over, just like that. Mind you, flipping it over, I must mention, it feels very sharp, so careful you don't cut your hands. Those pop off, and these ones screw on, just like that. And that's now going to connect to your bath, sink, your water supply. Again, same here. Will only go on one way. And you see, there I was attempting to fit it, wrong one. This one goes on the side, just like that. Just like that. Now, your filters, which are here, and your washers, your washer is going to go in the bottom here. Just press it in till it sits in there. And then that screws on. Just like that. And your other one, the side one, you have to have your filter where it goes into the pump. Right? So your filter goes in there, just like that. And just like that. So I'm going to take these back off and put these two in. Mind you, I'll leave them off because I've got to take it all back off. This is just for demonstration until I've fitted it. Then I'm connecting up all the pipes, because what I'm going to have to do is connect these first and then to the pump. But while I'm at it, our electricity supply, this is wired straight into the socket. But if you cut this off, you void your warranty. So you need an external plug to fit this in, which we're going to have to get and change. So we'll show you how we do that when it comes to that. Okay? But at the moment, we're just going to focus on getting this fitted in its location and make sure that it does fit, and any alteration we need to make. So for now, see you in a minute. See you.